Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. My name is John.
My name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from California. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. The weather is great.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing tennis and watching movies.
That sounds great. I like playing basketball. Do you have any plans for the week?
Yes, I'm going to the park with my friends.
That sounds like fun. I'm going to the movies with my family.
That sounds great. What movie are you going to watch?
I'm not sure yet. I'll decide later.
Okay, have fun.
Thanks. So, what do you study?
I'm studying business. How about you?
I'm studying engineering. It's challenging, but I like it.
That's great. I've always been interested in engineering.
Yeah, it's a fascinating field. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother. He's a doctor.
That's impressive. I have a younger sister. She's still in high school.
That's cool. I'm sure she looks up to you.
Yeah, I hope so. So, what's your favorite food?
Love Italian food. How about you?
I'm a big fan of Chinese food. I love noodles.
Yum! I love noodles too.
Great! Maybe we can try out a new restaurant together sometime.
Okay, John. Take care.
Well, it was great talking to you, Emily.
Bye.
You too, bye.